Hey brother and sister, how are you doing today? Crypto lovers. You know, I have silver lovers, I have gold lovers, I have crypto lovers, you know. The smart ape is the one who manage in all three, guys. I will give you a small secret, okay? The smart ape is the one who can manage all three best assets. You can ask me why. Because if you only in silver, then you miss the point. You miss the point of digital assets. If you only in crypto, you miss the point of physical assets. If you only in gold, then you miss the point of silver, to be, you know, money of people. You understand this? You need to be in a gold middle. You need to be, your brain need to be in all three assets. You need to be in a tech asset, you need to be in a physical asset, and you know, whatever you want to have more, like real estate or I don't know, or market, you know. But in this world, you cannot, I will repeat, in this world, you cannot make your portfolio without best crypto assets. It is just, I'm telling you, it is just pure nonsense. I know a lot of you guys, you know, have only silver, have only gold. I'm telling you, the best of the world to be in all three. How you manage this, it's your problem. On my channel, I try to share you the best of the best. I try to share you what you can do managing it the right way, okay? So let's talk about best, you know, Monero, Zcash, Dash today, kind of, you know, part 2. Okay, so what I want to bring your attention, you see Bitcoin is kind of lagging, right? It kind of go up, go down, and you know, the market is more like a red, right? But look on our brothers, right? Zcash, you know, this is what I always say. Zcash, Dash, you know, Monero. You see, Zcash, green, Dash, green, right? Bitcoin gold, also green, right? Even, you know, Bitcoin is minus 7% down, okay? Why is that? Another thing I want to bring your attention, if you go here and let's say in 7 days, right? Oh, you see Zcash still leading the chart, guys. Zcash still leading the chart on, you know, best performance in last 7 days, right? So we'll go more deep into, you know, these three coins. What else? One more thing, you know, without all this news, you know, I don't care about news. Your smart ape should not care about news. You need to be concentrated on your asset, and you need to concentrate it on the quantity. How much ounce of silver I have, how much ounce of gold I have, how much good coins I have. This is what you need to be concentrated, okay? If we talk about wealth. Interesting things, guys. Dash, for example, what is this, brother Dash? Yeah, look on Dash. You see, he's doing nothing, look like, right? Because he's around $100, right? It's the same. It's the same as Dash for last, I don't know, last month probably. But let's see how his, you know, place increased. He was almost 80. He was somewhere here, right? And now this coin, it is in 73 with the same price tag. Why? Because the sea of shit talking is flying down. This is what I always say, guys. Why you need to invest in all this garbages, Kusama, MP, $1 billion, guys. Unbelievable idiots. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to force it now. I just hope on my channel, 2300 subscribers, we are smart apes. We are not investing in this shit tokens. Guys, this is, you know, this is piece of crap. This is not real stuff, guys. This only fly because someone with a big money want to make more money. That's it. It's not public. It's not limited. You can see here, you know, there is no limit to this token and still they fly to $1 billion. Why? Because people have no idea what they invest. You know, it's all random. Oh, I put here, and here. This is a way to lose money. 95% guys are losing money. I'm telling you, 95%. They are not on channel like silverGameOfThrone, you know. They are not on smart channels. This is a big problem, okay? I hope you keep the good guys. Okay, you see, very interesting. It's, you know, coming up. Yeah, so what I want to say, next one, okay? So, you know, like, I don't have many comments, right? I'm more like a garbage, but look here, very interesting. I have Dash, I bought 86, I know Dash is better than ETH, faster than BTC, of course. Dash is like 2 seconds, you know, 1-2 seconds, you know, transaction, and doesn't require any confirmation. People don't buy, people don't buy, they are stupid, they buy 500-600 and not 90. This is excellent observation. This is how we are. We are greed and fear people. Most of us, 95%, we buy on all-time high and we sell on all-time low. This is how it is, but not on this channel, not on silverGameOfThrone channel, you know. If you follow me, guys, you know when you buy, you know when you sell. Okay, let's talk about Dash. Look on Dash. Here I did some, you know, some parallel channels, and you can see, let's start from parallel channel. So you can see from beginning, Dash, you know, was moving more aggressive up, right? On a first bull market. Now, I think he is moving more slowly, you see, because he broke these levels. He broke these levels of support, right? And you know, it moved down. Okay, let me remove this piece. And it moved down, right? So we can see the Dash is lagging today, okay? And you know, so I did another parallel channel just to see where we are today. Okay, very interesting. And you know, we are kind of moving on. So we are more slowly moving because there are so much piece of shit, you know, garbages, you know, flying around. That's fine. That's fine. Let them fly. And everyone wants to make money. Everyone wants to lose money. But we are not. Okay, we are keeping Dash. By the way, I'm not your financial advisor. I am keeping Dash. Okay, and I will tell you why. So next one, Fibonacci. What I did Fibonacci from, by the way, this is weekly, okay? So I did Fibonacci from, you know, this 2021 high to this year low, and just to see where we are on this level, okay? 1666, it's a magnet, guys. It's a magnet for humans. Why? Because we are part of universe, so we are Fibonacci people, you know. We like to be a Fibonacci. So this is level like a magnet, okay? So you see, and when I did first one, you know, parallel channel, this was the first one. And when I did, this was the first one. Okay, let me mark it, maybe yellow. You see, this was the first one. And when I did the second one, parallel channel, then you see I came into this area, and this is 1618 area, okay? So, and also it showed me there are so many signals, you know. The first signal, we were there. The second signal, we are between this, you know, these two channels, all right? We are between these two channels. Number 2. Number 3, we are in this, you know, 1618 level, you know. There are so many signs. And number 4, you know, we are, you know, in the middle of these both channels, right? So there are so many levels will tell me that we are coming somewhere here, okay? This is attractive zone for Mr. Dash. And this is like $1,200, okay? Now, with all this, if you look into, you know, RSI, you see RSI below here. What the piece, how I can accept. Look into this RSI zone. You see, we were above this level of 70, which is like a bull zone, right? We a long time, 16 to 18, almost two years we were sparking here, okay? What happened in this bull run? One time we only touched it, and then we went down. You see where we are now, on these levels, right? On these levels. So what I try to say, there is a high possibilities that we will come to this level and we will stay sometimes, okay, in these levels. very high possibility, okay? When? It's hard to predict, but the possibility very high. Now, you see, with all this level, around $100, for me, there is no better coin to buy than Dash today. Period, guys. Not Litecoin, not Zcash. There is no better to, to buy today. Also, if you can see here, the Dash is holding $1 billion, guys. Someone is accumulating Dash. Holding $1 billion, okay? We fell recently and we hold $1 billion, okay? And let Bitcoin recover. Oh, mamma mia. You will see Dash in crazy numbers, okay? I am telling you. You will see Dash in a crazy numbers, okay? What else? One more thing I want to repeat. I want to see how it is on bars term, kind of history repeats by itself, okay? So we went up, then we went down. So I want to take this, what we had here before, just to see if we somehow correlated with this. Voila, look here what happened. Just because, history repeats by itself. You see, we went up, we went down, we somewhere here, and we before a big boom. Now, timing is hard to predict. It can be less time, it can take more time, right? We don't know this, But even this is telling me, you see, that, medium term of all this, it's somewhere here, guys. It's somewhere here, okay? It's somewhere here on this level. Sorry. 1.6, yes, here. 1.6, 1.6, it's somewhere in the middle. Okay, so I'm very positive about Dash. Okay, let's go next. Litecoin, brother Litecoin, the same. So what I did here is, so this I will, what I did here, let me remove this, maybe more clear. So again, you see Litecoin in opposite. Litecoin was a not so aggressive move. Now with this bull run, it starts to move more aggressive. I can understand why. Because Litecoin is basically, people know Litecoin more. It's on every exchange. People use it as a money transfer, Don't look on this, price 22, You can always say Litecoin was together with Bitcoin Cash. Now Litecoin is 3-to-1, right? Bitcoin Cash is $300, right? You see $300 and Litecoin is $100. So 3-to-1. But based on some calculation supply, it will be 4-to-1 because there are 80,000 Litecoins and there are like 20,000, approximately. So it's 4-to-1. But we see that Litecoin is more common today to see than Bitcoin Cash. So don't pay attention to this because there are so many coins like a Shiba Inu, Pump, Elon Musk, Pump, Doge, and Terra, all this, garbages. I'm not paying attention. For me, important only, where Litecoin I can see in next, 1-2 years. So, you see, Dash, the second bull is going down. Litecoin, the second bull is going up. Okay, very interesting. So more bets on Litecoin looks like, but again, it's more potential for Dash. Okay, for me, they all the good guys. Okay, so I really don't make any constraints for Dash or for Litecoin. So what I see here again, the same as I said before, 1618. Okay, this zone always take my attention. Okay, 1618. 1. Now you see the second one. Where are the middle of this channel? Attractive zones. You see? The same. What's happening? The same between them, right? Attractive zones. So let me put it back. 1 and 2. Right? And now I want to move 1618. Okay, and I also did Fibonacci, you see? Fibonacci from this year high to this year low, and I see 1618, okay? So we are coming around $1,000, $850, $1,000. You see, a little bit less than Dash. The Dash, I was coming to $1,200, okay? Again, this all approximately, guys. You need to understand, this is not a final target. This is all approximately, okay, when I see Dash in next 1-2 years, okay. Litecoin around $900, right? Let's do the same what we did before, and let's take a, you know, bar pattern and just see, you know, how Litecoin, what this brother did before and what this brother can do, you know, this time. Okay, okay, let's put it like this. Voila, you see, intermediate target the same, you see, 1.6 Fibonacci level, you see, 1.6 Fibonacci level. This is intermediate target where I can see Litecoin. Okay, it may go down after this, some, you know, just to, you know, recap. This is, you know, normal, but the level I see Litecoin this year is the same, around $900. Look here, look here, you see, 850. Okay, 850. This is the level of above 850, right? This is the level of 1618. Okay, also if you look into RSI, the same thing is happening. You see, Litecoin was doing crazy thing in 2017, crazy thing. RSI was like, you know, 100 almost, right? And what we did here, a little bit up, and then most time with how much for 1 2 months. My expectation is we will spend some time in this zone, guys. We must to spend some time in this zone. Just a market, guys. Just a business, you know, nothing special. These two sparks, I don't think we show all potential, you see. And also for MACD, you see. We just came one time and now we are down. You see, these zones are excellent zones. This is zone, an excellent zone for accumulate, okay. This is where smart apes are buying, okay. And this is where smart apes are selling, you know, buy zone, sell zone, buy zone, sell zone, not in opposite, not in opposite, you see, not, you know, buy here and sell here, you know, this is not smart ape, this is not people from my channel. And last one, Zcash, okay, Zcash. So, yeah, basically I did the same for Zcash. I will not remove it, you know, just, I did, first of all, I did parallel channel. And you see, based on parallel channel, you know, where we are, the middle is coming 1618. If I look in on 1618, okay, let me mark it here, because this is a level which, you know, humans like. So this is telling me $900, around $1,000, okay? So you can see, Dash 1200, Litecoin is 1,000, 900, 850, 900, and Zcash is 1,000. From these three, I think the less potential will have Litecoin, okay? Just because of quantities, The quantities of Litecoin is 80 millions, guys, you know, the huge quantities, you know. And quantities of Zcash and Dash almost the same, is around 21 million, okay? So 4 to 1, so that's why I think Zcash and Dash will have more potential, okay? But it doesn't matter, you know. You know, for me, if from these three coins, one will, you know, make you the most of profit, you know, don't care about last two, just keep all of them. So Zcash, you see, the first of all, Fibonacci on this level. The second, the middle, and it's more like between middle and, you know, the top and middle. The middle of this trend is around $600, okay? And this also correlated with the previous high, you see, the previous high, and where we on the middle, you see, around $600, okay? And the last one, what I did this bars pattern, okay? I took it from here, okay, bars pattern, and put it here. And you see, based on bars pattern, where we are today, we are also coming to this, you know, between $800 and $1,000, okay, on these levels. And if we also look on this RSI, we can see here that RSI was very high, you know, on these levels, very high. But, you know, somehow it was already very high, right? So 2-3 times, okay, and very interesting. And it was only one time sparking in 2017. You see, in opposite, when you see Dash, you know, was not here, Litecoin was not here, but Zcash was already here. Okay, very interesting. So we may see an opposite. Just be aware, guys. We may see opposite. We may see one-time spark for Zcash. Okay, because we like this, you know, symmetry. But we will see much more sparking for Dash to hold it here. Okay, because everything should be balanced. Zcash may came here, you know, to $1,000 and fell very harsh. Okay, but it must to be here. Okay, it must to come to these levels. Okay, so I think we will see very nice spark for Zcash, but it will not hold much because it was already holding in this area. Very in opposite, Litecoin I think will hold more and Dash will hold more of this area. This doesn't tell me the number. It just tell me that the bull market for Zcash may be very short. The bull market for Dash and Litecoin may be longer. This is all it's telling me, okay? But all other, you know, indicators are still intact, okay? So I hope it helped. I just did, you know, always, I say always like this. In my eyes, you know, I don't care about timing. You need to understand, you are not putting the last cent or last dollar. All you need to care is how much do you have, okay? How many quantities do you have, okay? Because one day you will be rewarded. One day you will be rewarded. Okay, just you need to know when it, you know, how many coins do you have? How many coins do you have? Litecoin, Zcash, and Dash. Here, oh, I put it wrongly. Yeah, Litecoin, Zcash, and Dash. I put it wrongly. Here, Litecoin, Zcash, and Dash. Yeah, you see that now it changed. It start to go a little bit down, you know, because Bitcoin is going down. Yeah, but these guys are holding very well, you know. Dash hold $100. It's accumulation zone. You just can see, guys, you know, it doesn't want to go below 100, you know, and even Bitcoin can fall to 35,000. You will see how Dash will react. You will see Dash maybe will come to 90 and then will spark again to 100. Okay, why? Because people are buying. Some smart ape like silverGameOfThrone is buying. I cannot buy a lot of Dash. I may buy 110, you know, but someone is buying like a crazy. Okay, guys, I hope it helped. Okay, love you all. If you like my channel, subscribe, you know, share, you know, push it a little bit, you know, appreciate your help. Every help is, you know, every like is counted, every comment is counted. Thank you very much, and let's keep for a good news, guys. You know, let's keep for a good news. You know, war will never help people. Okay, I just pray for people in Ukraine. The war will finish soon, and we will back to normal. But we can see inflation, you know, everywhere. We can see this guy's prices crazy, you know. We can see the food is crazy. So just be aware. It just started, you know. It is just started. When your food price, when you guys' price will be half of your salary, you know, guys, the end is near. The end of this dollar, you know, currency is near, guys. It's not matter of if, it's matter of when. Okay, guys, all the best. Like, subscribe, hit notification. Love you all. Bye bye.